Hi, this is Darcy, and these are my 5 FOREO bear hacks. It will work with the regular size bear as well as the mini. But before we get to this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And if this video is helpful to you, please do a like. It really helps my channel. So now let's get to it. The Bear is a microcurrent device by FOREO that uses T-sonic pulsations as well as microcurrent. I have a lot of videos on the Bear. I have a whole playlist on it. If you want a full review and lots of before and afters, make sure to watch my Bear playlist with tips and lots of tutorials. On this video, I'm going to focus on Bear hacks so you can get even better results with your Bear. Hack number 1. Spray it with water to revive your serums or microcurrent gel. The Bear is a microcurrent device. A microcurrent has an electric current that penetrates your muscle to give you a lift. But in order for the electric current from microcurrent to penetrate your skin, it needs water. So you can use the Bear with microcurrent gels, which there's so many amazing ones in the market. You can also use with serums and even skin essences. But the most important thing to know is that it has to be water-based, meaning there are no oils in the formula because oil actually will not allow the microcurrent to penetrate your skin. So that is very important. But once you apply your gels, your serums, you also need to make sure that it's always moist and never dry because you don't want to tug, and also you need to have conductivity. Again, you need to have the water so it can penetrate your muscle. So to save on gels and serums so you don't have to keep applying them all the time, you can spray it with water. There's a lot of great water sprays specific for microcurrent, like this one for 7E Wellness that has a lot of minerals and a lot of other great ingredients that are really helpful for your skin. But you can literally use water, and I suggest using smart water or any water high in minerals because they'll give you best results. I would not suggest using tap water because microcurrent helps to push all those great ingredients deep into your skin. So if you use tap water, they might be infusing other things you may not want on your skin. So I would suggest if you use water, use mineral water, smart water, or you can invest on a microcurrent spray which has other ingredients to infuse into your skin. Either way, this hack will help you save on gels and serums and will also give you the best results because it will allow the current to really penetrate your skin. I'm going to demonstrate for you guys how to do it because I get this question a lot and I totally understand it can be super confusing. So let me demonstrate. On this side of my face, I'll use the FOREO Bear serum, which by the way, you do not need to use with their serum. You can use with any water-based serums. You can use hyaluronic acid serums. I even have a great DIY recipe on my channel. I'll put that in the description box below, but I'm using the FOREO Bear serum on this side of my face. On this other side of my face, I'm going to use my favorite conductivity gel, which is the HR conductivity gel from Medicube. This is super affordable. It's a leave-in formula. You don't have to wash it off, and it's amazing for your skin with amazing ingredients. I have a whole review on it as well. So on this side, I'm going to use just serum. On this side, I'm going to use just conductivity gel, and then I'm going to spray it with water and show you the difference. And you can see visually the serum is a lot thinner, it will dry a lot quicker. The microcurrent gel will take a little longer to dry, but both of them will eventually dry while you're doing your treatment. So that's why spraying with water is so important. So I'm just going to show you really quick what you should expect when you're doing the Bear. This serum will slide nicely, but it will eventually start drying out. But this is what you want. You want a nice slip all the time, making sure it's not tugging, so that way the device can slide and it can penetrate your skin. On the microcurrent gel side, you can see it's a lot wetter, and the gel takes a lot longer to dry. I did apply a little too much gel, guys, but regardless of the quantity, the gel takes a lot longer to dry. I'm not showing a tutorial, I'm just showing the difference. So let's pretend it is dry. You just get your water spray and spray on top of the serum, and that will revive it and will keep sliding. Or spray on your microcurrent gel and will revive it, and that way you don't have to keep reapplying. So we'll save a lot on the gels. And a third option is to do both, to actually do both a little bit of serum, and I'm going to demonstrate in my forehead, which is option number 3. I get this question a lot, and I know it can be confusing, so that's why I'm going to demonstrate. You can put your serum on And you can put some microcurrent gel on top. This option will not only give you the most hydration, but also will help to infuse whatever ingredients from your favorite serums into your skin. And you can do the same thing, spray with water once it's drying out, and you can do it your treatments. And I have tons of tutorials, so make sure you check my tutorials for even more tips. And guys, this will give you amazing results because it will give you the most conductivity because it's so moist. The skin should always be this moist. So that's why I get a lot of messages from people that are not getting results from microcurrent, because this is what you need. A moist skin and a spray with water to get even better results. If you use a regular microcurrent gel, you will have to wash it off. Unless it says it's a living formula, meaning you do not have to wash it off, then you can literally just wipe off the excess or just massage the excess. And honestly, if you do a whole treatment, it will already be absorbed completely. And this one, I love, love, love. It gives such a nice glow and is not sticky. And if you decide to do option number 3, which is using a serum underneath and a microcurrent gel on top, you have to see if it's a living formula, you don't have to wash it off. But if it's a regular microcurrent gel, you will have to wash it off. But the important thing is that it will infuse all those ingredients, regardless if you have to wash it off. So I get those questions a lot, and that's why I wanted to answer on this video. Hack number 2, use with water-based night masks. And this one is one of my favorite things to save time and actually get even better results from your water-based night masks. Because right now there's a lot of amazing water-based masks in the market that you can actually put it on at night, go to sleep, and wake up with baby skin. One of my favorite ones is from Laneige. This is the water sleeping mask. But there's so many in the market right now. Just make sure you read the ingredient list and make sure it's water-based. This is such a time saver because that way your mask is fully absorbed by your skin. The ingredients are pushing even deeper for better results, and you're done with your microcurrent and you can just go to sleep. Don't even have to wash your face. It's awesome. I do it all the time and I highly recommend. So it is really simple. Just get your favorite water-based night masks, meaning you will not have to wash it off. So you just apply to your face as you would normally apply, which I usually apply quite a lot because it's a mask that is a living formula, so you don't have to wash it off. You stay on your face, and this one for Laneige is so delicious. It's nice and it will fully absorb even if you don't use the microcurrent, but it can take a little bit. When you use the microcurrent, you will get it absorbed quicker. Just turn your microcurrent and use it all over your face. And you can see that the water-based mask slides really nice. Especially using this with the Bear is really great because it's a really quick treatment that you can do it right before bed, and you can get done with your microcurrent as well as your night mask. Hack number 3, use on top of your sheet masks. Using on top of your sheet masks is amazing because again will help the ingredients penetrate deep in your skin. It will save you time because you don't have to put in your gels. You can just put the sheet masks, do on top, take it off, and you're done. You can use with any of your favorite sheet masks, but make sure that you read the ingredient list that doesn't contain any oils. But if it does, it's okay too, as long as the oils are all the way down to the list. One of my favorite sheet masks lately is this one from Medicube, is their Super Cica Daily Quick Mask. This is also a great time saver because you don't need to apply anything underneath. You can use the own sheet mask ingredients to slide with the microcurrent tool. You can just slide on top of the sheet mask. You can also do holes. This is a great treatment to alternate with your regular microcurrent routine because it will help to give you a lift but also push the ingredients, but it should never be a replacement for the full tutorial since you cannot do a lot of the other movements, but you can do some holds and slides which will also give you some lifting effects, but this is mostly something that you can incorporate into your regular microcurrent routine. Hack number 4, use under your sheet masks as well. And this is great because sometimes when you're done with your sheet mask, your face is already moist and you have a lot of serum. But again, make sure it's water-based to give you the best effects, and use to finish your routine, to add some more lifting movements, which I have lots of tutorial on my channel. And you can do it until the serum is fully absorbed. Hack number 5, combine your Bear with your other skincare tools. Microcurrent is a modality that goes really well with many different skincare tools to get even better results. They work really well together. And on a nutshell, microcurrent should always go last from your skincare tools, routines, because microcurrent is training your muscles on a lifted position, so you always want it to end with microcurrent. If you have the UFO, you can use it with the Bear and save on the gel as well by using the leftover serum from the UFO mask, because when you do the FOREO UFO, you usually have their own masks, so that way when you have the moisture from the mask still on your skin, you can finish it up with your Bear. And a lot of times inside the UFO masks, there's always like so much serum, so you can use that on your hands, put all over the face, and finish it up with the Bear. So that is also a great way so you can incorporate your UFO with the Bears. And I'll also have a whole dedicated video on UFO hacks coming up soon as well, so keep an eye on my channel for that. The Bear with LED masks, you would use again the LED masks before and finish with the Bear. Using the Bear with LED lights, we get even better results from the Bear because LED lights go deep into your skin to help stimulate collagen production, relax the muscles. So when you do the Bear after your favorite LED lights, you're actually getting a better lift and improving the results from the LED lights as well. I love using the Cure mask because it's only 5 minutes and makes the treatment really quick. But whenever I have more time, I also love combining the Bear with the Adora mask that has a lot of different light colors as well. And I have a lot of reviews on LED masks on my channel. I'll put the playlist on the description box below. That way you can see which masks work best for your schedule and budget. But either way, combining LED lights or other tools with the Bear will help improve your results even better. So definitely take advantage of it. The best tools to combine with the Bear is LED lights and also the UFO. But there's so many different tools in the market. So if you want a whole dedicated video combining with all different tools, make sure you comment below. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to give me a like. It really helps my channel. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. If you have any questions, always comment below. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!